Okay, so here we go. We are ready to put the motor in. Obviously the fenders are going to come off. We put them in place so they can be sanded, polished, painted the whole trip. But yeah, so on the motor side of things, here we've got our vacuum going to the brake box. That's all there. Exhaust is ready. It's nice, clean and open. There's just one mount which I'm leaving on, so when you lean on here, which you're going to, it's not going to bend that. Batteries are all set up, earths are set up, and yeah, so here's a clutch. So we discussed that mounts on. I'm considering getting that cable some oil. This is the fuel line that I was talking about. So that literally is a cut-off bit from the carb. I've got an extra length of fuel line here for you. It's brand new, and that will then just pop on with that mount onto the carb. There's your fuel. So there's an income T-piece return pipe to the tank, 3 millimeters. That's set. There's your power for the automatic choke. This I'll still label over here. Your reverse wire. Your speedo cable goes down at the bottom and it's closed up and tied up so the little inside doesn't slide out. So this is all ready to rock and roll. There's your engine harness, all labeled and ready to rock on. And yeah, so everything is kind of ready to go. The brakes have been bled. If you would test drive, there's a extra bottle of brake fluid in. Here's the positive this side of the battery. So obviously we just take the cable from here and then wire it down. Starter relay is in, and this is the harness that just goes straight to the starter. So we're good on that. That's working, tested. Like I said, your coil is here marked positive, negative, and that's ready to pop the coil in. So that's sort of what we're getting into here on the motor installation. Just drop it in and start it up. Oh yeah, the rubbers are ready for the radiator. It just slides in with the clips here. So yeah, hopefully that's pretty straightforward. That's us on that one.